What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Look what we picked up. Our inner 10-year-old is, well, maybe younger than that, but is coming out. We're gonna build
So it's 10 and up.
yeah, 10 and up. So we're gonna build this model rocket later, and we're gonna shoot it. We got like the higher powered little engine thingies. They call these engines, but they're really not engines. It's just like a little smoke bomb thing that makes it go in the air. Yeah. So this one says it's only rated for 1150, but we bought the motor for like 1600 feet. So we'll see how that works out. It does have a little parachute thing, so it'll hopefully come back. Kennedy, welcome back to the vlip.
We're gonna attach a GoPro to it.
If you can't tell, Kennedy's sick. She doesn't sound very good. We have like the same voice right now.
What's up, guys? This is David.
Kennedy rocking the VanVorce Media shirt. And then look, Kennedy's new shoes. Comment down below if you like Kennedy's new shoes. She picked those up for Christmas from your boy. They look kind of orangey on the camera.
Well, they're hot pink, so they're gonna glow in the dark.
Ooh, fancy.
And they're cute.
And they're cute. So, we are actually, let's jump in the truck. So guys, hopefully you guys had an awesome Christmas. Now it's almost New Year's, and then it's 2020, which is so crazy. Like, the year flew by, right? So, we've actually got something really cool for you guys. We are going over to film a little cinematic edit and get some photos of our good friends Tyler and Ashley's Trackhawk. They actually just got it modded, but we'll explain the mods to you later because I don't know exactly what it is. I think it's like an upper pulley. They ported the blower. They did headers and exhaust, E85. They did a bunch of stuff, pretty much like Kevin's Trackhawk, but cooler and faster. But it's a really clean looking Trackhawk. It's they ported the blower and then they had it powder coated to match the red of the actual paint on the Trackhawk, so it looks super good. They just got everything done, so they wanted to have a little cinematic video shot by none other than VanVorce Media, and they want to get some photos from your girl Ken Dog. So, hey, you can't cough on the vlog. You're gonna get everyone sick.
Sorry.
Comment down below if you got sick over these times. Man, comment down below. I got sick for a little bit. I'm kind of recovering already. Kennedy is like full-blown sick, so shout out Kennedy. But it actually rained yesterday, and when it rains, the day after is typically really good because look at the clouds. Ooh.
It's like a mix of your perfect blue sky
Yes.
and some cloudy sky.
So the problem is, like, when it's super bright and blue out, it just doesn't look good, and it puts a harsh reflection on the paint, and like we can make it look decent, but it definitely looks better when there's like some clouds in the sky. It gives it some depth, and the coloring is just overall better on the car. So we're shooting the cinematic edit today. We're gonna get some photos. Chase is coming over to help out, and should be a good time. So you guys will see, you're gonna see the video change right now, like the coloring to some flat coloring, because what we do when we video is we shoot in a log profile and it shoots in a flatter image, but that way when you go to post-process and you can do, when you're doing like your coloring and stuff, it actually makes it easier to bring the colors out, and you can bring certain colors out that you might not be able to bring out when you're just filming in like your regular video profile, which is like what the vlog is in right now. So
it's kind of like shooting in RAW for photos.
It's
compared to JPEG, yes.
Compared, yeah. Okay, so when you're shooting photos, you typically shoot in, this might not make sense, but you shoot in RAW or JPEG. The reason why you shoot in RAW is because you can push the colors a lot further when you're editing. If you shoot in JPEG, it's pretty much your camera has already done the editing to the photo, and when you go to actually like push colors, they do not turn out good at all. So a little tip for you, if you ever want to get into shooting photos, doing some photography stuff, always shoot in RAW. You'll be able to do a lot more post-processing. Now video is a little different because the actual image itself is super flat, like you guys will see when we switch profiles, because I'm going to leave it raw. So if you want to see the complete edited cinematic video, you're going to have to go to the Facebook page and like VanVorce Media, because I'm only going to include the raw videos in here, and we'll throw the actual edited video on the VanVorce Media Facebook page. So you guys will have to go on there. It'll probably be posted in like a week or two, and let me know if you guys like it. But so you guys will see some raw video clips of Chase and I filming, and hopefully do some polls. I've got my lav mic. Now when I like to do sound, this might be too much information for you guys, but in case you want to know, I like to use a little lav mic, and I actually hook it to my GoPro, and that gets a lot better audio than using the camera, especially because it's super windy out right now. So I have a little dead cat, which is the little furry thing, and I put it on the lav mic, and it actually picks up sound better, because my Rode mic that I typically use on this camera, it picks up almost too much sound and sometimes blows it out. So we'll see. But today it's too windy to use the Rode mic. Even though I have a little dead cat furry thing for the Rode mic, it still is like it's too windy for that. So the lav mic should pick up some better sound, and which made me just realize I didn't bring the tape to tape the lav mic. So we're gonna have to pick up some tape.
No.
It's in here, isn't it? Oh, the tape is in here. So what I like to do is I like to tape the lav mic. You gotta kind of play with it, but I've had this lav mic for a while, so I kind of know where it needs to go. Usually like a foot away from the exhaust is good. If you get too close, it picks up too much sound and blows it out. If you get it too far away, it picks up too much wind noise. Ooh, look at this clean little S550 pulling up next to us. That's a pretty clean little guy. But anyways, we'll see you guys over at the track. Alright guys, so we just got the initial shots. Let me start this over. Shots. Chase, what? Sit down. Chase has joined the vlog.
What's up, guys?
What's that,
As per
guys?
usual.
So, Chase is in the building. Shout out Chase. So yeah, we got some sound clips. So we hooked up the lav mic. Chase, what are you even talking about? So we hooked up the lav mic right by the exhaust, got some sound clips, and then Chase and I rode on the inside of the Trackhawk. And got some inside clips of like the gauges and stuff and her driving. I think we got enough of those. We may grab some later, just kind of depends on how dark it gets outside.
Remember the last time you didn't have a seat in my car?
Yeah, I almost died.
Yeah.
So Trackhawk pulls really good though.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I looked down and we're going like 125. I was
And
like,
I'm like way in the back, like,
I was like, good thing we're in Mexico.
good thing, eh?
Hey, not Canada,
Hey.
Mexico.
Let me be in front or behind? Just get her feet. Just follow. You never know. True. Better to have too much than not enough. True. Yes, sorry, what?
They're gonna pass us, so I'm gonna try and get the whole. That's good. I'll get a good shot. Some good shots.
I sure did.
No. Everything we get's garbage.
Wow. Shout out Chase.
We
Shout
suck.
out Chase. That's not true. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you see some of the clips and they're kind of shaky, there's a reason for that. Like I said, those are going to be some raw clips, just so you guys can see kind of the behind the scenes of what it takes to film a cinematic video. But if you want to see the full entire edit, it'll be on the Van Vorst Media Facebook page, and we'll put some photos up probably in like a week or two. Probably a week on the photos, right?
Yeah, it won't take me long.
Yeah, photos don't take too long. Video takes a little bit longer.
3 months
Got to
on the
find a
video.
song, got to edit it. Chase doesn't even finish videos he's supposed to edit.
True.
You do.
Chase
you
is
do.
backlogged by like 6 months right now. He's pretty busy, so if you need him, he's gonna be really busy. But thanks to Tyler and Ashley for coming out. The Trackhawk is sick.
It's so clean.
And it was only on pump gas when we were doing those polls.
No way.
Yeah, I can only imagine it on E85. So if you guys want to see Kevin race that Trackhawk, comment down below. I think Kevin would get drugged.
Good Lord have mercy.
Dapplebee's.
Order for 3 at Gapplebee's. Hello, Trackhawk.
What?
So yeah, that Trackhawk has the same package as Kevin's. They're both flex fuel, upper, lower.
So one's on Mickey's and one's not.
That one does have Mickey Thompson's. Kevin's got like fake hearts or something off Amazon, and that one has a ported and polished blower, and it has the race bearings from Joker's Performance. So that one's got a little more. They said they're gonna do some more to it too, and it has an ice tank. Ice tank is good for those cars. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at David Van Voorst. Follow Kennedy.
At Kennedy McCall.
Follow Chase.
So sick. ACS 138 on Instagram.
Probably not.
No.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a